Help others. I'll just give you a plethora of reasons why this is a must. 1. Helping people has a ripple effect. If you help someone, they will feel more obliged to help someone else, and so on. Pay it forward. 2. You grow by giving and helping others. It can change you in ways you never expected. 3. Your relationship with that person will become stronger. 4. It's the most fulfilling thing you can do on this planet. It not only feels amazing physically, you also feel like a good person. 5. You might be able to call in a favor later when you need some help. 6. Karma, if you believe in it. 7. Because there are more people in this world than just you.